New Year na, so dapat new me na tayo. Topic ngayon is complex fractions.
So we have the problem, simplify the complex fraction 1 plus 2a over b over 2 minus a over b. So to solve this, focus tayo either sa numerator muna or sa denominator. So in order to simplify this, tandaan natin yung kung paano tayo mag-add ng fractions. So hanap muna tayo ng common denominator nila. So pwedeng b na lang, no? Kasi whole number naman yung natin, 1. So we have a common denominator of b. So b times 1 is b. And b divide b is 1 multiplied by 2a is 2a. And copy lang natin yung sign, which is plus. So we now have our simplified numerator b plus 2a over b. So sa denominator naman, same process. Common denominator is b, since whole number naman si 2. So b times 2, 2b. b divide b, 1 multiplied by a. Copy na lang yung minus sign. So we now have our simplified denominator, 2b minus a over b. So we now have this updated version. And in order to simplify this further, let's multiply our numerator and denominator by applying a reciprocal to our denominator para pwede natin sila ma-multiply. Just like that. So ito, para ma-multiply natin silang dalawa, reciprocal natin itong denominator. So bali na baliktad, nasa taas na yung b, and sa baba naman yung 2b minus a. Also, if ma-notice nyo, pwede natin ma-cancel ang b. And ang tira na lang is itong b plus 2a tsaka denominator na 2b minus a. Yun lang, that's simple. So we now have our answer, b plus 2a over 2b minus a.